Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Harry here from Lucid Detailing. Just bringing you a quick and short video on this Mitsubishi Outlander that the customer brought in for us to do a single stage correction as well as an application of IGL KENZO. Let me run you through a few of the quick features that IGL KENZO provides to make your life a little bit easier day to day. Come on down. So this customer's opted to bring down this Mitsubishi Outlander for us to do a single stage decontamination followed by a single stage polish and correction to then apply the IGL KENZO. Now the reason the customer's opted in for this one is they are looking to keep the vehicle long term. Alrighty, one of the many benefits of doing ceramic coatings. Okay, these coatings last up to 5 years, keep the car looking brand new, and definitely increases the resale value on the car. Now resale isn't the only value that ceramic coating brings to your life. Easy washing, easy checkovers, and easy for everyone, including us, to maintain for you. Alrighty, looking at IGL, if you get bird poo, tree droppings, anything like that, your car's going to laugh it off, right? You just hit it with the spray gun on the jet mode and you're ready to roll for the next day. Now, talking about things being ready to roll, the water's going to roll straight off this paint after this application, alrighty? I know that time is the biggest factor in everybody's life, especially when you want to spend time on the weekend with the kids, right? So washing the car no longer becomes this big begrudging thing you've got to do. It's a quick 20-30 minutes at a maximum, depending how dirty it is. You hit it with the foam cannon, you hit it with the hose, and if she's still dirty, you do a quick 2-bucket wash. Ceramic coating makes time your best friend. So now you've got time on your side and now you've got cleanliness on your side. Let's just talk about the overall benefits from having a ceramic coating. Alrighty, if you've got kids running up past your car with greasy fingers, they're just going to wipe right off. Alrighty, going to be loading stuff into the back. That 10H hardness in the coating is going to help with the durability of the scratches as well. At the end of the day, ceramic coating is definitely a choice to make if you're looking to hold on to the car long term, and there's plenty of other applications for it as well. Now, 4 or 5 years seems to be the lifespan of most people's owning of cars, alrighty, especially with the fact that EVs are now becoming such a high thing on the market, as well as these plug-in hybrids. We know most customers are looking to hold on to their cars for a little bit longer than they normally would. Alrighty, ceramic coating is definitely the option to take from day one, as soon as you purchase your car, if you want to keep it looking brand new. For any questions, inquire down at Lucid Detailing, ask for myself or Josh, and we'll be definitely happy to help you. We'll see you soon. On this coating, we could have done things such as the wheels, the interior, or any of the other additional plastics, but the customer was being cost conscious and looking at the things that really mattered on their day to day, as well as their weekend time. Alrighty, so we decided to go ahead and do that windshield, alrighty, as well as the KENZO application, and we've left the wheels in the interior as the customer was thinking about future and what exactly they need now versus what they can deal with for a little while. Now, before I go, just a few reasons as to why the customer chose to go with IGL KENZO. Alrighty, enhanced durability, enhanced shine and deepness in the paint, alrighty, the environmental protection that the coating offers, as well as the hydrophobic abilities that this coating has. Alrighty, once again, and I've mentioned this before, it's going to make life so much easier for everybody who is time conscious when it comes to looking after their cars. Alrighty, these cars are going to last a lot longer, they're going to look a lot newer, and at the end of the day, that's what we're here to do. Just a few more things before I wrap this one up. Just a few reasons as to why the customer chose to go with IGL KENZO. Alrighty, enhanced durability, enhanced environmental protection, the hydrophobic capabilities of this coating, as well as the long-lasting shine that's going to come out of this paint. Alrighty, at the end of the day, being time conscious, and the customer is going to be super happy with all the time they don't need to spend looking after this car. Alrighty, it is simple, it is easy, and with all these applications, this thing's going to be looking brand new in 5 years to come.